Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be installing the lightest version of Windows 11. All it takes is 5 gigs of your hard disk space, 1 gig of RAM and 5 minutes to install. But size isn't everything, performance is. Windows X-Lite isn't just light, it's optimized specifically for gaming and low-end hardware. In my testing, it outperformed both stock Windows 11 and Tiny 11 across the board. I have compiled a complete comparison table to show you exactly where it wins. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, we will download the Windows X-Lite ISO file. I will link the ISO in the pinned comment below. So once the ISO file is downloaded, we will create our bootable USB drive using Rufus. So open any browser and search for Rufus and visit their official website. Scroll down a bit and download the Rufus application. Once downloaded, open the Rufus application and insert your USB drive. Once detected, click on Select under Boot Selection. Now, select the Windows X-Lite ISO file that you have downloaded above. So keep everything at their defaults and then click on the Start. You will now see a pop-up with some Windows customizations. So if your PC doesn't support Windows 11, you can tick this box. It will bypass all TPM and secure boot requirements. If you want to bypass Microsoft account creation, you can check this box. From here, you can create a local account. Just type in your username and check this box. There are several other Windows customizations that you can choose, such as skipping the privacy questions and even disabling the BitLocker. So once everything is ready, click on OK. Then click on OK again to start formatting the USB drive. So make sure you have nothing important saved onto this USB stick. Now this will take a while and your bootable USB will be ready. Once everything is ready, it's time to restart your PC and enter the BIOS. To enter BIOS, press F12, delete or the escape key. Now, we will go to the boot selection and select our USB drive as the first priority boot option. So this will allow us to open the Windows 11 installation wizard. Once done, save your configuration and restart your PC. So after you restart, you will see the Windows 11 installation wizard. So here, select any version and then click on Next. Now, you need to select your drive where you wish to install Windows. So if you wish to clean install, you can format your primary drive. If you wish to install it on a separate drive and dual boot, you can choose a secondary drive. Once done, click on Next. Now this will take around 2 to 3 minutes and your Windows 11 will be ready. So congratulations, you have successfully installed the lightest version of Windows 11 ever made. So once your desktop loads, the first thing that you should do is connect to your Wi-Fi. Now, if you look at your file manager, you can see that it has taken up 4 to 5 GB of your hard drive storage. Now, it's time to install your display and audio drivers. So since I have a gigabyte motherboard, I will install the App Center and all my required drivers. To install a web browser or the Microsoft Store, you can use the shortcut on your desktop named Extras plus Info. Here you will find tons of resources and guides to customize your Windows 11 installation. So that's the Windows X-Lite in action. If your goal is to squeeze every bit of performance out of an older PC, or if you simply want a lighter, faster version of Windows with fewer background processes, Windows X-Lite is definitely worth checking out. That being said, keep in mind that it's a modified version of Windows, not an official Microsoft release. Because of that, some features or components may be removed, and compatibility can vary depending upon your setup. If you rely on every Windows feature or use your PC for critical work, the standard version of Windows 11 is still the safer choice. For gaming, everyday browsing, media consumption, and breathing new life into your older hardware, Windows X-Lite offers a noticeable lighter experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more Windows and tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments what would you like to see next. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.